The Bermuda Triangle, a stretch of ocean where ships and planes vanish without a trace.
Located between Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, this region has puzzled the world for decades.
It is a place linked to mysterious disappearances, strange lights, and vanishing signals.
One of the most famous cases is Flight 19, a squadron of U.S. Navy aircraft that disappeared in 1945.
Radio contact was lost, and the planes were never seen again.
A rescue aircraft sent to find them also vanished without leaving debris.
Then there is the case of the USS Cyclops, a massive ship carrying 309 people.
It vanished in 1918, without sending a single distress message.
So what causes these disappearances?
Some scientists believe powerful currents and storms are responsible.
Others point to magnetic anomalies that may disrupt navigation instruments.
Methane gas eruptions from the sea floor could also make ships sink rapidly.
But none of these theories explain every disappearance.
And every year, new incidents keep the mystery alive.
Some believe the Bermuda Triangle is simply a dangerous region with unpredictable weather.
Others think there may be forces we still do not fully understand.
Even today, ships and planes pass through safely, but the mystery remains. Until we find every answer, the Bermuda Triangle will remain one of the world's greatest unsolved mysteries.